but, we'll go ahead and do it together. Looking at the one on the left, what would be your first step? So I got 3. I got to get a pen. I got 3x plus 2 to the 3/2 equals 81. Is that correct? Then what would you do? And we would get, okay. And then what will we do? How do we make that 3/2 go away? Raise it. Right? Okay, now this is where we have to have it's not going to happen today to us, but it is going to happen on your exit ticket. You're going to have to where you have a 2 where that 3 is. What does it mean if there's a 2 on the bottom? You're doing a square root. Did this originally have a square root? Then you brought a square root, correct? Which means you're going to have to do a plus or minus deal. Okay, so if your denominator at this point has a even number, then you need to be thinking about plus or minus. Okay, so going on, we would do x plus 2 equals, isn't this 3 cubed? And then we would have x plus 2 equals 9. Very good, because the 3's will cancel. And so we get x equals 7. Looking at the other one, first thing we would and then we would isn't that a crazy root? 3/7. Then we would raise it. So we get x plus 7 equals 8 would be 2 cubed, correct? So then we end up with x plus 7 equals 2 to the 7. Do we know what 2 to the 7 is? I think we know what 2 to the 6 is. We know what 2 to the 5th is. Did you say 24? 2 to the 5th is 32. Times 2 is? Times 2 is? So x equals? We okay with that? Okay. So you need to get a computer. Go ahead and log on to Google Classroom so you can get to the calendar from there. Once you get to the calendar, you're going to see the escape room. You'll want to go to today's date so that you can see the escape room. It's fabulous. You need to have your sound on so we can hear this creepy music to count down for you. Huh? Because it's entertaining for me. Everyone and I hear you all laugh. Yeah, it's great. It's all different times. And yeah, it's great. So when you click on this, you're going to go to the escape room. You need to read this. And then you're going to want to hit start. Now, when you get to start, you're going to click right up here in this top corner to open it up into its own thing. Make sure you go back to this one and close it, though, because otherwise you're going to have 2 of these little countdown things going. Mine seems to take all day. It does sound a little delayed.